So just this morning, on the crypto and related front, a very big player in the lending business called Genesis. They have multiple businesses, but their lending unit, not their trading and custody unit, just halted withdrawals. Basically, they're insolvent. And this is an important one to watch because the sponsor of Genesis is a company called DCG, Digital Currency Group. DCG is also the sponsor of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the family of Grayscale products. So like the question that I would have, and I think people are asking, is what parent guarantees, if any, were made by DCG down the stack to the lending subsidiary? And what would that mean under insolvency? And what could that mean for the broader ecosystem in terms of the other units that they sponsor? So something to definitely watch today. They literally just 5-10 minutes ago had a call with creditors and investors and said they're halting withdrawals. So, but basically they're out of business. But anyway, I just wanted to highlight that because that's kind of like the next domino to fall, and that's all for me.
Dominoes are falling all over the place. I mean, BlockFi last night, I think, did they officially file for bankruptcy or no?
I think they were planning to. They're basically drawing up the paperwork, but they're done. I mean, they're out of business. They're cooked.
Steiner, if you're still on off the top of your head, what day did Lehman Brothers happen, or Bear Stearns for that matter, versus the low of the stock market crash?
Well, I think if I remember right, Bear was in, I think it was March or April, and Lehman was the first week of September. So March bottomed, or the market bottomed first week of March the following year.
Yep, September, October. This is where, and I've said this many, many times. I'll just say it again. This is the mother of all bubbles because it really has snared or ensnared Main Street. The amount of connectedness or the level of connectedness of revenues to advertising, revenue streams, et cetera, to crypto is so far reaching that nobody can count it. I mean, at least on Wall Street, you could start to count the counterparty risk by the time you're in the thick of it. This is monster. And I was asked on the Macro Show the other day, like, can you tell us how the contagion ends? I said, it would take, like, when people say that people are arrogant, that's arrogance. Arrogance is coming up with an answer to that question. Like, to a decimal point or to a day where the contagion associated with this crypto fraud is going to end. I mean, it's going to go on and on and on and on. I mean, what's NVIDIA going to say today on their conference call about it? I mean, they had a huge component of their revenue growth came from crypto. It's everywhere relative to it's not relative to anything. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. So thanks for the updates on that, on that, Rob.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.